would you like to live right next door to this golf course on your own 2-acre piece of paradise? Luann here at my latest listing here at 10318 Gerber Road in Sacramento, California. Let's go inside and take a look around. This beautiful single-story home offers 1,851 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, perfectly designed for comfortable, everyday living. Inside, you'll love the open feel and thoughtful updates. The kitchen has been beautifully remodeled with granite countertops, rich wood cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances, perfect for cooking or entertaining. The interior living spaces have recently been repainted and feature updated laminate flooring, a cozy fireplace, and plenty of natural light. Both bathrooms have also been updated, giving the home a fresh and modern feel. What really makes this property special is the lifestyle it offers. Sitting on just over 2 acres, you have plenty of space to spread out, create a garden, raise livestock, bring your toys, or simply enjoy the peace and privacy of country living while still being close to everything Sacramento has to offer. This location is a gem. You're right next to WildHawk Golf Club, close to great schools, shopping, and dining. It's a rare combination, room to breathe, yet convenience all around. If you've been looking for a move-in ready home with space, updates, and a fantastic location, 10318 Gerber Road is one you won't want to miss. Thank you for stopping by. If you have any questions or would like a private showing, contact me, Luann, today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be the first to get my latest listings and buyer and seller real estate tips. And I'll see you on the next one.